An Garda Síochána are currently investigating all the circumstances of a fatal road traffic collision here on the L3168 Gibbstown, just outside Dundalk, County Louth. Yesterday evening, just after 9 p.m, there was a serious road traffic collision involving two vehicles, a Volkswagen Golf and a Toyota Land Cruiser. 5 occupants of the Volkswagen Golf, 3 males and 2 females, all in their early 20s, are deceased at the scene. One occupant of the Volkswagen Golf, a male in his 20s, was removed to Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital, Drogheda, for treatment of serious, non-life-threatening injuries. The 2 occupants of the second vehicle, a male and a female, were also taken to Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital, Drogheda, for medical treatment for non-life-threatening injuries. Family liaison officers have been appointed to each of the families to provide support, and An Garda Síochána will keep the families updated as to the course of the ongoing investigation. This tragedy, with the loss of 5 young adults, will have a deep impact on families and local communities in Carrickmacross, Drumconrath and in Scotland. This is a shocking, devastating event for these families, their communities and the community here in Dundalk. I want to take this opportunity to appeal to any person with any information on this road traffic collision to contact the investigation team at Dundalk Garda Station. I'm appealing to any person who was on the L3168 between 8:30 p.m. and 9:15 p.m. last night, Saturday the 15th of November 2025, to contact the Garda investigation team.